Welcome to Orlando. The local time is approximately 1:28. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. The use of cell phones is now permitted. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all carry-on items stowed until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. That time, please remember to check around your seating area, in the seat back pockets, and overhead bins for all your personal belongings. Take care when opening the overhead bins, as contents may have shifted during flight. Once inside the terminal building, connecting gate information will be provided by information signs, television monitors, and a Continental representative will meet this plane for any additional questions you may have. On behalf of Continental, the Star Alliance Network, and your entire Houston-based flight crew, thank you.
Continental Airlines, 57-300, landing Orlando International from Houston, seat 3A, first class. Wait for us here. That is over there. Almost looks like Cayman Airways. Let's see. Bahama Air. That's weird. No, it is all the Continental planes. As long as they have that globe on the tail, they will always be Continental to me. Except one of them is a United plane, one of them is a Continental plane. Aha, I picked that out. That one's a United plane, that one's a Continental plane. Alright, so that's arriving here in Orlando, near the Continental gates. Or should I say Continental United gates. Alright, I got a lot of stuff to put up, so I'm going to go early today. So you guys have it. So I'm here in Orlando. Looks like we board through the L2 door because the L1 door is up there in the front of it. See, and so I'm on seat 3A. The gate's coming up, so they use the L2 door here in Orlando to board the Continental 737-300.